Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, I'm your English teacher, Ms. Kavata, and today we're going to start with this book called New Esther Advance for grade 4th. Let's open it and find out what is the name of first chapter. So as you can see, this is your first chapter and the name of the chapter is What's Your Dream? So, as the title, as the heading says, it talks about dream. Beta, dream means sapna, right? It not only means sapna, it not only means dream, it also talks about that what a child want to achieve in life. It also talks about what a child aim is, what he aspires for. So, your dream is what he want to get in life. So let's start this chapter. Before starting with the chapter, beta, this chapter actually is written by Ruskin Bond. So he's an Indian author of British descent and he was born in 19th May 1934. He lives with his family in Mussoorie, India. Mussoorie is a place, beta, in Dehradun district, okay, Uttarakhand. His first novel, The Room on the Roof, was written when he was just 17. So when he was just 17 years old, he has written his first okay. He has written a number of novels, essays, poems and children's books. He has written many things, right? The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. So his work has given lot of recognition. He got the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. So here we come to know about Ruskin Bond. Okay. So now let's start the chapter, bete. This is your page number 2 and let's start it out. A young boy liked spending time sitting on a tree. He had a dream but didn't realize that until one day someone happened to ask him about it. Let us read the story to find out what his dream was. So in the story we are going to read about a young boy, okay, who always liked to spend his time sitting on a tree. And what's the name of the tree? It's lychee tree, okay. But he had a dream, but didn't realize it until one day this old beggar, this is the old beggar means bhikari, he asked this little boy about his dream. So this whole of the chapter is about the dream of the boy. So let us read it and find out what's the dream. An old man, a beggar, bent double with a flowing white beard and piercing grey eyes, stopped on the road on the other side of the garden wall and looked up at me, where I perched on the branch of a lychee tree. So here, when the story opens up, when the story starts, it means that an old beggar was, his description is given how he is. वो कैसा है बेटे? आप देख सकते हैं. You can see in the picture. He's having shabby clothes, dirty, torn off, right? Long white beard and it is flowing also. And he's having this bent also, double bent also. And his eyes actually are grey in color and they are piercing. Piercing means having keen intelligence. Okay? So let us read. So when he was on the other side of the garden wall, what he saw, उसने क्या देखा? जब एक बार एक सड़क के किनारे beggar जा रहा था बेटे, what he saw that this young boy was sitting on the lychee tree and then he goes there. Okay, let's read this. So stopped on the road on the other side of the garden wall and looked up at me. So he looked up, this boy, where I perched on the branch of a lychee tree. जहाँ पे perched means बेटे क्या होता है? बैठना. Piercing means having keen intelligence. Beggar means भिखारी. Okay. So what's your dream, he asked. So this old man, this old beggar actually asked about the dream of the boy, that what his dream is. So again in this paragraph we are going to read that the young boy actually got in surprised. He was startled when he heard that this beggar is speaking in English. वो हैरान हो जाता है कि ये बैगर जो है मुझसे इंग्लिश में बात कर रहा है, इंग्लिश में मुझसे पूछ रहा है कि मेरी ड्रीम क्या है. राइट, सो दिस इज रिटन, लेट्स रीड इट आउट. It was a startling question coming from that raggedy old man on the street. Even more startling that it should have been made in English. English-speaking beggars were a rarity in those days. Startling means surprised. Raggedy means shabby and dirty. And rarity means उस समय English-speaking beggars बहुत कम पाए जाते थे. ठीक है, उसने फिर दोबारा रिपीट किया बैगर ने, What's your dream is. बेटा, this is the video for your first chapter, part 1. Okay, thank you.